back to your bag of tricks and grab hold of this D-shackle out of the bag. This is what you're going to need next. Okay. Take the pin out, put it somewhere handy. Now put the D-shackle thingy through the pad eye and set it up sideways like that. Now we take each skirt, making sure nothing's twisted. The lines back there are straight. These lines are straight. So, and we have to get the two of them, pull them really, really hard. They'll feel like they're too short, but you've just got to lay into it. Pull them back like that, hook them onto the pad eye, onto the D-shackle, put the pin through, and that's this bit done. Now you might need two people for this job. I can't see me doing it and being in three places at once. So I'll have to wait for help for that. You notice there's a spare piece of string looped around this piece. This spare piece of string is for the AI, not the TI. So what you do is you take that spare piece of string off and throw it away. So all you've got is the one big loop without the bit of string on the end of it. Now if you have a look at this, you think, oh, it's way too short, you'll never get it there. But just needs a bit of muscle, and you can pull it, as you can see, all the way back to the pad eye, and it just puts tension into the cord. So it will work. Now, come straight up from the top.
Jab.
Yeah. Got these on. Pretty easy with two people, pretty difficult with one. As you saw, I just fit a rope through there and pulled, and the boss genie just put the pin through the D-shackle. So not all that hard with two people, really easy. Okay, now we move on to the next bit. It's to take the side cord and hook it over this eyelet here, over the button. So when you do this, the cord comes around the back of the arca, all the way out to here and hooks on that button. Now it's going to be another bit of a pull, but that's not a problem. Here we go. Take that bungee off. Might have to move to the outside of the hole to get a pull on. Okay. Cord comes underneath, behind the arca, black bar thing, and we proceed to pull it and drop it over the button just like that. Easy peasy. Okay, there we have the the hardest part of the job done. And none of that was very hard at all. And your splash skirts are now in situ. Just a few more little things to do on Kayakbob's instructions, and we'll be finished. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, next step. Get the wire tie from the bag of tricks that came with the splash skirts. Take the wire tie, make sure you've got it round the right way, the teeth side in. This wire tie goes through the skirt, picking up the cord that's hard up against this edge. From the top, you go through the mesh out the other side, and then you bring the bottom of the tie back up behind the pulley and do it up snug. Okay, now what you have to do, you want this wire tie far forward as you can get it behind the pulley, which means lining up where it's going to come out into the pulley through the spray skirt. So you just eye it in, stick your finger about there, feel the black cord, get it as close as you can to the cord and push it through the mesh like that. Then you take the pointy bit, shove it in behind the pulley like that, and then we thread that back through there like that, and pull him up snug. So it finishes hard up against the pulley like so. Just keep working it until it's pretty damn snug. And I have successfully put the wire tie in backwards. So you pull them all apart like so. Turn him over. Put him back through. Up. Tighten to the corner of the pulley. If I got it wrong. That's better. Now it's going to lock. Okay, and now we just pull him up tight. Like so. And cut off the tail, and we're done.